Next pattern is a push-up, a classic pattern that has been used for endless times and so many things that can go wrong or we do differently. So I'm going to have Kyle here start to demonstrate with, he's going to just get up in a normal kind of extended plank position. So looking for good spine position. So kind of head, shoulders, hips, everything is staying relatively in that position. And then he's going to maintain that as he lowers down towards the ground and pushes himself back up. We'll do another one. So that's kind of the rough position that we're looking for when we're there. This muscle, or this pattern primarily is going to train, again, anything that's more in this pushing motion. So triceps, pecs, shoulders, all of this stuff, which is why it has that. And then there's a lot of just stability going on through the torso. Some common compensations with this. Number one is maybe starting to lose this kind of nice pull position. So he may extend or dump down into his spine. He may reach his head forward. You'll see another one where people kind of do like the worm, like a dance move, where they're not able to maintain, or they stick their butt up in the air and then they do these kind of little half reps. So I would say that would be one of the biggest things. Secondly is kind of looking at shoulder blade and shoulder joints with how those move. So as he comes down, a common cue we like to think about is almost screwing the hands into the ground, rotating them out as you go, and you should feel a lot of good engagement here, and these shoulder blades should come together. So we're going to do another one. So as he comes down, the shoulder blades are coming together. As he comes up, they're going to press apart, and we want to kind of almost exaggerate this reach. We're trying to pull those shoulder blades apart or really protract as much as we can. So those are the main areas that we're looking for. If this pattern right here is just a little too hard, one of the simplest things that we do is we'll elevate the hands. So there's a little more weight towards the feet, a little less on the hands. So he may get to here and it's perfect. Or if we're trying to get 10 reps, he can only get 5 there. We may use something a little bit higher. And then vice versa. If this is a little too easy, we can start with a weight on the back. You can set it up yourself, or you can have a partner do it. You're going to put it kind of right at the tailbone and then just below shoulder blade, so it doesn't affect how those track. Then he'll smoothly get up just to maintain that position, screw his hands in the ground, press them back up. Or another one that we can do using the strength curve of a push-up is we're going to use a band. So he'll wrap it around. If you have long hair, neither one of us don't, but you want to be able to put a twist in there so it doesn't come up and get the back of your neck. But same idea. So at the top position, you'll have most of the resistance right underneath the shoulder blades. At the bottom, the band will have a little bit of some slack, which matches the strength curve of the push-up. Wrists is a common complaint that some people have. A simple solution to that is just getting a pair of dumbbells that he can go to keep his wrists neutral. We tend to like this better than trying to do anything on your fists. And then it's just a good classic push-up.